What do you gain, Kasongo, by gaining the whole world and losing your soul? Umepora inchi, umeiba kila kitu. Hatuna haja hizo kaa nazo, lakini wacha kuua watoto wetu. Murkomen, I want you to listen to this voice. I have asked for permission from the family. You are claiming they are no goons. I want this voice, you listen to it so that you may have nightmares for the rest of your life. Murkomen, that is the voice of a man who was dying in the hands of policemen, men that you sent to come and hound our children. Murkomen, you will never find peace. You have bought almost everything in this country, but you will never have peace. Your wife will never have peace. Your children will never have peace. Kawajiko, you will never have peace. Women Repwa Muranga, you will never have peace. Faith Mimwaganu, you will never have peace. Kwenyaduku, you will never have peace. Moshera Michael, you will never have peace. You maimed an innocent man. You shed blood of an innocent man. You will never have peace. President Ruto, as you sit at the State House, God has rejected your presidency. You will not have any peace. Your time is up. Deputy President, Mr. Soprano, your time is up. You use this word, I use them to you. Mene, tekel, upasi. Your time is written on the wall. Your time is up. Watho atene twerago an eye for an eye and a tooth for a tooth. Ile uchungu tuko nayo tungefanya hivyo. Lakini tunajua an eye for an eye leaves everyone blind. Toko motiga moko ine magai. Na turahoya Ngai adil na inywe na ihenya tukionaga. To tiraigua wega tuikana thayo na inywe guku matura-ini. You are an eyesore. You are cursed. Na twere age. Amerika na ithwe. Mware mono guikana itungati guku. Kwena sugoi thi muikae sugoi. Kweni mizigo yenu muende. Waende wasiende. It is painful. My own cousin at Royal Gardens was threatened by this goon. Akashiko alikuwa ataka kumbaka, wanamwambia venye watamfanyia. So these allegations of rape are live. Watu wamekuja, wametuua. Wanataka mpaka kurepu wasichana wetu na mabibi zetu na mama zetu. And I have a message for the chiefs and the assistant chiefs. Nyinyi machief na assistant chiefs. Nyinyi kazi yenu ni kuimplement government policies at your place of jurisdiction. Munaishi na watu ambao wamempea kazi. Hao munaishi nao ndio wamempea kazi. Mutigatuikie twara maitho inywe mashifu. Nywe ma assistant chief mutigatuikie mashifu twara maitho. True reconciliation start by acknowledging what you did wrong. Nyinyi ma chief, first acknowledge that you are wrong. Second, be accountable. You either resign ama mkuje mtuombe msamaha tuone kama tutamsamehea nyinyi. Lakini kwanza kutishia ati mtatumia wengine wakuje. And President Ruto, let me tell you this my final word. If you can kill everyone, utuwe sisi zote, ubakishe tu mmoja, huyo mmoja atakwambia one time. Let me now call